Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to look at quadratic equation. In the last class, we are on this topic, but what we did was factorizing the quadratic equation. But today we are going to use the roots of equation to get the equation. Well, I would like to go to do a brief revision of the last class. Let's consider this x squared plus 6x plus 5 equals 0. By factorizing this equation, x is raised to 2. That is the coefficient given to us, the highest coefficient that makes us to know that this equation is quadratic equation. So we have x. The two factors of a constant is 1 times 5, which is what? 5. And 2, when you add the two factors together, we will get what? Plus 6. So we have plus 1 plus 5. That gives us what? 0. So, doing that, we have x plus 1 equals 0 or x plus 5 equals 0. Collecting like terms, we have minus 5, x equals what? Minus 1. These are the roots of this equation. But in today's class, we are going to be given two roots of the equation to get this equation. So that's what we want to do today. And we'll start with these two examples I have with me. We have minus 1 over 3 and we have minus 5. To get the equation of this root, the first thing is what? Equate it with x. X equals minus 1 over 3 and x equals minus 5. Now let's make it an equation. By doing that, we can cross multiply to have our 3x equals minus 1, and still we have x equals minus 5. Let's take the factors to the other side and have this equation to equal to 0. So by doing so, we have 3x. Taking this minus 1 to the other side becomes plus 1 equals to 0. Or taking this to the other side, we have x plus 5 equals to 0. Having done that, we bring these two out and multiply the two together. So we have 3x plus 1 then x plus 5 equals 0. Let's do our multiplication. This 3x to multiply with x, we have 3x squared. The same 3x to this, we have plus 5, plus 15x. Then we take this 1 plus 1 to multiply this x. We have plus x. Then this to this side, we have plus 5 equals 0. Let's add these two together. 15x plus x give us 16x. Then we have plus 5 equals 0. Then plus 3x squared. This is the equation of these two given roots. Let's look at one more example. Another one that we'll look at is 3 and minus 2. As I said, we have x equals 3 or x equals minus 2. Take this 3 to the other side, we have x plus, we have plus here, then becomes minus 3 equals 0, or x, then this minus 2 becomes plus 2 equals 0. So let's put them in brackets. Let's bring them together in multiplication term. So we have this equivalent to 0. Then this to this, we have x squared. This to this, we have plus 2x. This to this, we have minus 3x. Then this to this, we have minus 6 equals 0. Let's add this together. We have x squared plus 2x minus 3x, have minus x, then minus 6 equals 0. This is the equation of the two roots given to us. I would like you to try this and let me have your comments. Let me have your answer as a comment below. We have 1 over 2 and minus 3 over 4. Thank you for being with us, with me in this class today. I would like you to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. and God bless you.